Hi there, I hope you're having a great day. I want to start by playing games called Find the Similarity. I'm sure you're familiar with it. So, I need you to find the similarity between these 6 Indonesian dishes. Should be easy, right? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is that all of them are eaten with rice. And that is what we want to talk about today. So let me introduce ourselves. My name is Abim, along with my beloved team of 3 MLs, 2 CCs, and 1 MD, and of course our best advisors in Kadimas and Erika. So we're gonna talk about rice in 4 different topics, starting from the background. Okay, we all know that we grew up with rice, it's delicious, we eat it every day, and we're just meant for each other. In fact, Indonesia sits at number 4 for the top rice producing countries in the world. So it's not just a staple food, but it's also the backbone of our economy. But did you know that our rice production has been declining? It has never reached 2% growth for the last 5 years. And maybe some of you think that it's not that much, but when we look at the past decade, the numbers are free falling. So it is that much. And how could this happen? It turns out that based on the studies, it's because of the rice diseases, which has cost us up to 90% rice yield loss. And so then we thought, how? If we could spot those diseases early and accurately, it'll be a game changer for sure. And that is how our product, PestPatrol, was born. It's a rice disease detection app which spots rice diseases by analyzing rice leaf images.
Okay, you guys might think this is just another app. So let's see how we're different. There have been a lot of research and studies mentioning disease identification and how to deal with rice disease, but we provide what they didn't. Point 1. Practical and farmer friendly. Our solution is field-ready, minimizing the time and effort farmers need to tackle rice plant diseases. Point 2. Simple and clear guides. Our straightforward guides ensure that each step is easy to follow, helping farmers confidently address plant diseases. Point 3. Instant disease identification. A user-friendly app allows farmers to quickly identify diseases, reducing losses from the uncontrolled spread of plant diseases. Point 4. Localized knowledge. We offer a recommendation based on regional conditions, providing more relevant and effective solutions for farmers.
Okay, for similarities and differentiator with competitor apps, there are 2 apps that are almost similar to our PestPatrol app, which are Blossom and Terraform. Based on our research, we estimate that PestPatrol has 50% similarity with Blossom and 10% similarity with Terraform. Although PestPatrol is a new app, we have advantage in terms of can do detection via camera and gallery report. There is a rice plant maintenance schedule feature, contains the result of diagnosis accuracy as well as maintenance recommendation, display the latest news and tips about rice, and chatbot. Now, implementation. In developing machine learning in the PestPatrol application, we use Python, scikit-learn, used for classification and pre-processing tools, TensorFlow, used for model building and training. We use DevStat model because it produces the highest accuracy, and TFGS for loading machine learning model in browser.
Okay, so these are the technologies that we use in mobile development. First, we use Kotlin as the programming language, and then we use Jetpack Compose to build our user interface. We use Hill to easily inject our dependencies, and then we build our project following the latest clean architecture from Google. Next, so these are the technologies that we use in cloud computing. We use Express.js as a framework for Node.js. Then we use CloudRun to manage our deployment phase. We use Cloud Build to help build our CI/CD, and the last is Firestore as our NoSQL database. In case all of you want to try our application, just go to the link that we have provided. There will be a documentation to help you with the project initiation, and please do contact us if you have any issues.
Okay, so let's dive into our exciting features. So what does PestPatrol offer? Alright, so we have 2 MVP features, snap detection and care schedules. So user can snap a picture of rice leaves using their camera or gallery. Once the image is selected, the scanning begins. Our advanced machine learning system then provides a disease status, healthy or diseased. If a disease is detected, it shows what and how to deal with it. And users can also set reminders for essential care tasks like watering and fertilizing at specific intervals. PestPatrol will send a notification for this. Additionally, we have several extra features in PestPatrol, such as authentication with smooth and secure option to register and log in, even with your Google account. Blog, we provide the latest news with tips on rice care through our integrated blog. Sobat Padi Chatbot, you need quick advice? Just chat with our rice specialist AI chatbot. The next is Snap History. Keep track of all your snap detection with a comprehensive history log. And the last is Profile and Settings. Customize your experience with features like profile picture and other user preferences.
Okay, let's move to our deployment plans, starting in July by seeking partnerships with researchers and farmers, and ending in December by launching the app on the Play Store and start collecting user feedback for future development. And our target market consists of individuals aged 25 until 55 years old, specifically rice farmers and agricultural extension workers. And for our target market needs this solution because fast and accurate disease identification is essential for improving crop yields and farmer incomes. Using AI photo identification and datasets from Kaggle, our solution provides rapid disease detections, better yields, and increased incomes. This data-driven approach supports national food security strategies, optimizes resources, and promotes eco-friendly practices, as well as benefiting farmers, extension workers, government, and institutions by providing accurate diagnosis, enhanced data, and improved policies.
Okay, so let's discuss our first budgeting plan for PestPatrol. We have total budget of 5K USD. Here's how we've allocated it. 25% for acquiring more datasets to enhance disease detection accuracy. 20% for computing resources covering databases, API, and deployment costs. 15% for marketing to promote PestPatrol to potential users. 10% maintenance to keep the app running smoothly. 20% for salary for our dedicated team, 10% other expenses like research, taxes, copyright, and publication. Now let's look at our expanded budgeting plan with a total budget of 10K USD. Here's how we've allocated it. We reduced computing resources by 5% and added more categories such as 5% for participating in expos to showcase PestPatrol and attract potential partners. 10% for market expansion, reaching new regions and user bases. This expanded budget allows us to invest in expos and market expansion, which are crucial for scaling PestPatrol and increasing its impact. Okay, so let's discuss the SWOT analysis for PestPatrol. So we leverage advanced machine learning for disease detection packaged in a user-friendly Android app by utilizing scalable services of Google Cloud, and we meet the modern market needs. However, the app may face challenges due to limited features and potential bugs during its early development stages. User may also struggle with our new technology, and the app is also dependent on internet connectivity. Despite these weaknesses, we have potential to collaborate with various parties and reaching into a global market. The high demand in Indonesia agriculture also boosts our prospect. Nevertheless, PestPatrol must navigate the threat of slow technology adoption among farmers and competition from existing and emerging agri-tech competitors. Okay, so to summarize, here's a thought-provoking quote by Wendell Berry. This reminds us that our love for food should include an awareness of how it is produced. By using PestPatrol, you are contributing to healthier crops and a more sustainable food system. Thank you for your time and interest in PestPatrol.